Let's try unique KitKat flavors. I don't even know what flavor this is. I think it's a red bean mochi. Okay, this smells like a mix between chocolate and rat poison. You know those green little things you leave out to rats so they can die? I swear it kind of reminds me of that, but also chocolate. It's a little bit citrusy. I have no idea what this is. Not a fan of the rat poison KitKat. I'm giving that a 2.6 out of 10. Coffee. It's a slight coffee flavor, not a lot. For all my Canadians out there, not really like coffee crisp. It's more so just a regular KitKat. So I'd give this a 8.2 out of 10. Strawberry and chocolate. Smells like a strawberry Jolly Rancher. Not bad. It reminds me of one of those butter cookies that you never find in the tin, but the ones that have the strawberry filling on the inside. I'm giving this a 7.9 out of 10. Banana caramel. Smells like banana. I made a brown butter caramel kulfi, which was pretty good, and this kind of reminds me of that, but it more so has a bit of that artificial banana flavor, which isn't the greatest, but the caramel and the chocolate make up for it. It's solid. I'm giving this a 7.7 out of 10. Caramel pudding. How does this taste more like coffee than the other one? I think there's some sort of connection between coffee and caramel because this honestly tastes like coffee and coffee crisp. I'm giving this a 8.4 out of 10. It's good.